Hello all, welcome to Mohansh Technologies. So as I promised, I want to share the content 30 hours free generative AI. Okay, let me present it. Yeah. So this 30 hours free generative AI, what kind of technical skills we are going to be learning? Okay, one by one, I will explain here. In the day one, Python basics like syntax, variables, data types, input, output, operators, simple programs. Even fresher, even zero knowledge person also can able to attend this particular session. We are going to be giving from scratch to master level, zero to hero level, basic to pro level. Okay. Day two, control structures, if condition, loops, nested loops, real-time coding exercises. Day three, functions and modules like defining how to define the functions, arguments, importing modules, math, random, date type, all these things. And day four, data structures like list, tuple, set, dictionary. Day five, handling exceptions like read write files, error handling, try catch. Yes. And day six, we go through the OOPS concepts in Python. And day seven, a mini task automation, like how to summarize the CSV file data formatter. NumPy pandas. Day 8, data frames, arrays, basics of this. Day 9, data visualization. Day 10, very important, machine learning. We are going to be dealing with the machine learning over there, day 10. Day 11, introduction to the neural networks, like how the neural networks are going to be working with the deep learning, transformers, LLMs concepts, attention, transformer architecture, overview of the GPT, setting up the open AI API environment in day 13, and day 14 project on this. Day 15 prompt engineering with Python, few short examples via API. And then day six, text generation projects like a blog writer, email generator using with the OpenAI. Day 17, like image creation in Python. Day 18, speech auto audio generation. Okay. And day 19, language chain introduction. Day 20, embeddings, using embeddings, vector databases. Remember, you are going from zero to expert level. You are going to zero to expert level in this 30 days. Remember how the classes will be. You uh automatically your mind get blows. Yeah, sure. And day one, 21, project AI with the PDF questioning answer plot. And 22, retrieval at augmented generation, something like RAG. Very important, RAG. 23, fine tuning overview. 24, multi-modal AI projects. 25, agents and tools usage. How this will be there in the LangChain agents with the React framework. Come to the day 26, Streamlit for AI app UI. Deploy the AI apps. Ethics, responsibilities of AI. Very important. Ethics are important, sir. So AI is having a lot of advantages. AI is going to be having a lot of disadvantages also. You know that, I think everybody, this photo morphing kind of things. Ethics we have to follow. Okay, then we go with a simple project like AI assistant project. And day 30, we review the uh, total recap of all the content, and we will do the end of the project on this day 30. And Mohan's strategy is completely different. Learn by working, workspace atmosphere, master skill until the real-time work concept. So practice, still you become master. Real-time coding challenges, 100%. Job placement assistance, 100%. Preparation with the coding challenges, dedicated placement support till you land your dream job. Yes, thank you for attending the session. And this is the content I want to deliver it to you. And this is the content I want to share with you in the next November 2 onwards, next 30 days. This is the content what Mohan is going to be providing you. This content is precious content. This content is a valuable content. This content is emerging content. Just I want to show the job openings on the uh, this one, actually, generative AI, how the generative AI jobs are going to be available. See the Naukri, huge number of job openings, huge number of job openings. Just scroll down, open the LinkedIn, open the LinkedIn, huge number of job openings. You will be having huge number of job openings. Open the Found It, huge number of job openings. Open this link, Indeed. Huge number of job openings, 40,000 plus jobs are there. Okay. Mohan's strategy is completely different. All the courses are emerging courses like cybersecurity, PingFederate, Ping Access, and MuleSoft, and blockchain, quantum computing, and this prompt engineering, data science, Golang. Only emerging technology. We focus only on emerging technologies. Already we started 4 batches. 2 batches are programming batches. 2 batches are full stack batches. Full stack Python with MLAI integrated. Full stack MERN with MLAI integrated. I will give you the links in the description here, or chat here, comments here. You please join with the groups, attend the sessions if you want. And this batch is going to be starting on November 2. November 2. November 2 onwards, lock your 30 days. Lock your 30 days, attend this session. This is the session which is going to be giving you life. Yes, sure, definitely. This session is going to be giving you life. And if you want a lot of videos in Mohansh Technologies, we will be having a lot of videos. Just go through the playlist here, Mohansh Technologies YouTube channel. Lot of playlist we already uploaded, different kind of videos, different kind of playlist. Already running batches videos also already uploaded. If anybody not subscribed so far, please go and subscribe first and click on the bell icon for the next video notification for you. If I upload the video, if your time is not allowed to attending the session, the video is there available in the YouTube channel. You can just watch the video. And this message is very important message, guys. Please share with your friends and family members. This is the very important message. Okay, you are saving the lives actually. We are saving the lives, and you people also save the lives of the people. People are wasting the money. People are wasting the time to learn all these things. People are paying lakhs of rupees outside. Okay, we don't want to do like this in the next time. Just connect and stay tuned to the Mohan Technologies. Mohan's Technologies is going to be providing all the emerging technologies free of cost in 2025. Just note my word. Note my word. Okay. So this is what actually I want to tell you guys. So please like the video, share the video, subscribe the channel. If anybody not subscribed so far, and please click on the bell icon, you get the notifications and all. Comments are needful, sir. If you give the comment, this video will reach to the unsubscriber. That guy also need to get help from you because of your comment, because of your like. Okay. If you are the subscriber, okay. If you're not subscriber, please give the comment and like. This video will reach to the unsubscriber. And we are online. We don't have any offline. We are teaching only in online. Mohan's standards different. Mohan's strategy is different. Completely, we are giving the all the technical skills are free of cost right now. Please like the video, share the video, subscribe the channel. Comments are needed. Please give the comments also. Thanks. Thanks for a lot. We'll meet in the next video about the Gen AI. Thank you.